how to add a photo to your video using InShot editor. Now in order to do this, you just simply need to open this video section and create a new video editing. If you already have a draft like me, you can open it, but if you don't have, just simply create a new one and import a video in here. And after importing your video clip, it will look something like this. Then to add a photo on top of this video, you just simply need to use this PIP option from the toolbar. Just simply scroll your toolbar and then select this PIP option. Then after selecting that, you can choose a bunch of photos that you have into your gallery. Just simply select the photo which you would like to add into here. And after selecting the photo that you would like to add into your video, it will appear into your video like this. You can minimize it if you want, you can maximize it, you can flip it if you want to, and you can also rotate it as you want. And after doing all the things as you desire, you can also place it whenever you want. For example, I want it to be placed at the bottom left corner. And after doing all of this, just simply check this button and the photo will be added to your video in InShot. And it is very easy. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you for watching.